Welcome to the Drexel University Plumbing Information and Performance Evaluation Decision Support Tool, or PIPE. PIPE is intended for anyone who is concerned about the quality of water in building plumbing systems. When water sits in pipes and buildings, harmful microorganisms can grow in the water, including bacteria that cause legionellosis, a type of pneumonia that can be deadly, particularly for the elderly and immunocompromised. In addition, lead, copper, and organics can leach into the water, and that may cause a variety of mild to severe health concerns. There are already many guidance manuals available for protecting water quality in buildings. PIPE helps you find the guidance that you need for your building. PIPE will find guidance that informs operational decisions, like the temperature setting of the water heater and how often you flush water from seldom used fixtures. PIPE identifies design features that could cause problems and possible solutions to these problems. PIPE will also help you determine if you need a formal water quality management plan. To use PIPE, you will first enter some information on your building. PIPE will then identify the guidance that is relevant to your building. You can then review this guidance and download a copy as a PDF file. Of course, no one tool can be comprehensive. PIPE provides basic information but cannot substitute for engineering guidance. In some cases, guidance documents may conflict with each other. In these situations, PIPE summarizes the different guidance available but cannot tell you which guidance is right for your building. While the guidance available in PIPE may help protect water quality, there is no substitute for actually measuring the water quality in your building. PIPE was developed at Drexel University with the support of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, but has not been formally reviewed by EPA and does not reflect EPA's views. Thanks for your attention. We hope PIPE is helpful to you.